welcome back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna install two windows. The problem is that these windows came without any instruction book or anything that says how to install it, so I had to figure it out. Anyway, this white piece we're gonna see it from the inside the van when the walls is in place, so we don't need it right now. We just need the actual window that will sit from the outside. Here we have to be very careful because we're gonna do two big holes in the van, so, and especially when I don't have any instruction book that says how we're gonna do it, so it was very tricky for me, especially it was first time for me to do this big holes in the van, and I never installed windows like that. So yeah, it was a bit tricky. That's why I had to ask for help and yeah, just sit and discuss and figure out how to do it. At the end, I just decided to do a mold with its carton itself. I think it was a good idea to make the mold with the carton itself.
And you see that it's in the right position that I want.
Now I'm gonna mark the window, then we take out this carton mold. So let's mark the place that we want to cut, and I hope that everything will be great, so we'll see. And now we have marked, and we will take out this carton. So let's do this. And now we will make 4 holes, one each corner, so we can put the jigsaw.
One, two, three, and 4. Make sure that the hole is big so you can put the jigsaw here.
We made it. See here. After the cut, it's time to see if it fits, but unfortunately it wasn't. So we had to slip from the corners so it fits well.
هو إذا صار شوي زيادة ما يصير يعني.
Now the window, it fits in its place. It's time now to make the wood frame so it holds the window from the inside. So we make this wood framing, as you see. It will sit around the window from the inside, and we're gonna hold it with screws that comes with the window itself. So that's it. So first we're gonna make the framing, then put silicone, then we're gonna screw it in place. So keep watching and see how the process is going on. And now it's time to put some silicone on sides. You know, silicone, it's very messy work because it can make everywhere dirty and you have to clean it. So yeah, be sure that you don't put too much silicone, just a bit.
دوزني معي.
بس فوت فوت بس فيش
ايه خلاص لازم تشدها هلا من عندك. This window is done, and we will put one more window here as well, as you see, exactly here. So now we are going to put this window.